All right, today we're focusing on the Preserve at Severn Run. That's our community focus for today. And today we're going to talk about market analysis and inventory trends, sold versus listed. On our last video, we talked about how to get email alerts for new home listings. So as properties come on the market, you can get automatic alerts as they hit the market. And so if you want more information about that, just check out our last video. But today, market analysis and inventory trends, sold versus listed. Our goal today is to make you the local market economist. So what you want to do is come here to MarylandLuxuryGroup.com and click on the link that says Market Insider. Market Insider is going to make you the local market economist. The data on this page is consolidated from multiple sources and includes current listings, recent sales, and much, much more. Whether you're a buyer or seller, the knowledge you'll gain will help put you in control of your real estate transaction. So all you simply want to do is enter in the zip code, and for our purposes for today, for the Preserve at Severn Run, the zip code is 21054. You can search any zip code in the country and get the same data, but today we're focusing on 21054. So what's happening in that zip code? Well, pretty interesting stuff. Median list price for January for single-family homes in Gambrils is $664,900. This list price has increased by 11.74%. So folks, if you're sitting on the fence, you might want to hop on off. The price per square foot for listings in this area is $217 per square foot. So this graph here is pretty interesting. What it tells us is that the blue is the median list price, which is kind of had a sawtooth type trends here, versus the median sold price, which has really had kind of a soft tooth recovery, but not too far off. Not too far off. Sellers are gaining in their market values, and the market's coming back pretty quickly. So let's get into market inventory trends, and what we can see here is the number of active listings in Gambrils has increased by 20.7% from the previous month. So a few more properties coming on the market, and the green area is new listings that have come on the market. And as you can see, there's a nice trend coming up on the market as far as properties. And then blue is standard sales, and then the red are distressed properties. So they've been steadily tracking downward as the market is starting to correct. And so let's get into property ownership. The percentage of unoccupied properties is very low in Gambrils. It's negative 11.62% from the national average. So 83.84% of all the properties in the Gambrils area in the 21054 zip code are owner occupied, versus 12.88% that are rented and 3.28% that are vacant. Additional statistics for single-family homes and condos in Gambrils. Median list price is $602,970. Median days on market is 55. There's about 42 active listings on the market, and the percentage of distressed listings is 2.4%. It's great to be able to compare different zip codes and see how they compare throughout the state and throughout the country. So what you have here down at the bottom is something that you don't get on many websites. This is how you can track sold listings. So if you want to see what your neighbor's home sold for, you come right here to the bottom of the page. For example, 2112 Old Dairy Farm Road in Gambrils sold for $1.5 million back in March of 2012. And all you simply do is click on the dollar sign, and you'll get the property information in the upper left hand corner. Pretty easy to do, and great information if you want to see what your neighbor's home has sold for. All right, so great information that you have here. And then if you want to check active listings as well, you can just click on the active listings, and that'll tell you the local active properties that are on the market as well. But for the purposes of what we're doing today, we're checking solds. And so now you got all your sold listings, and then if you scroll down to the bottom, there's a nice little list of sold properties as well that you can click on and get more information about them. Okay, so this is Aaron Rice signing out.